BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether price is going up or down. Over on total for the daily, we do have a potential symmetrical triangle here, so I would watch. Remember, these could go up, they could go down, but because it's coming from a downtrend, the down possibility is quite a bit more drastic than the possibility up. The possibility up will be a retest of the 936, at which point, if we can break that, then we may make a double bottom on this daily for bigger breakouts. But if we see a rejection from this area, we could see a potential retest of that 749 and maybe continue down toward that golden pocket area, as we don't have much resistance in this zone down here. So our VWAP is favoring a little more bearish. We do have a potential higher low though, so watch for it to push forward on lower time frames and gain strength. If we can do that and sustain, then this daily will push up. Over on the 1 hour, if we zoom in here, we could pull this line back down a little bit if you want to draw it based on the 1 hour, but based on the daily, we are pretty decent. Either way, we would have that symmetrical triangle, and they would be pretty much close to that peak. That's going to be the same thing we would have for like Graph and some other coins. Our stochastic does want to push up. RSI is starting to curl away. That VWAP is in bullish territory, so that is positive, but it could be a lower high, so just keep an eye. If that VWAP breaks our neutral, we could have bearish favor forming here, which would cause money flow to continue downward, and price action would break away, and this would lead most of our altcoins lower. Now, we could get hung up somewhere around like this 618 and then make a bounce as well. Remember, that is a small support resistance area, but besides that, we don't really have too much as we showed on that daily. So if we hop over to daily for Bitcoin, as futures just open, so it's not really too useful right now. We do have a potential double bomb on the 1 hour. We'll show that quickly. Our stochastic is pulling back. RSI is starting to fall. VWAP is favoring bearish. Momentum is dropping with a red dot, so watch that VWAP as it continues to pull back. And money flow will remain in the red, and we could continue to see strong red candles. However, if we see this 1 hour double bottom break out, we could push forward. This would be a retest right around that 100k range, which could push us right around the 102, 103 area, and then we could be within a rising channel that would also try to push us right around that 105k. Our stochastic does look like it is starting to round though. RSI is starting to pull back. VWAP does have a higher high with a higher low. So if that VWAP stays above this neutral, we will see momentum continue up. Money flow could push into the green, and then we could continue forward. But right now, we are getting a pretty strong red candle that was not there when I drew this pattern. So we are seeing a pretty strong red candle on this current 1 hour. If we confirm like this, we could see a lower high, which if followed by a lower low, that would invalidate our bullish scenario. So watch that VWAP close and that price action close here as well. If that VWAP does break that neutral, momentum will reject away, money flow will stay red, and we would fall toward that 93k, potentially trying to break it. However, if that VWAP can stay in the bullish territory, as we have a higher high with a higher low, then momentum will gain strength, money flow can bounce back, and we would see that 100k retest possibility, at which point, if we can break that 100k and hold, then we could see higher price action and retest our other like previous high right around the 106, 107k range, and then potentially see this flag finally break out if we're able to see that 1 hour continue bullishly here. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe, and join us in that Discord.